Okay guys, going to do a quick video on replacing the windshield wiper blade on the E. You're going to get the Bosch 25-inch wiper blade. A 24 will fit, but a 25 is what comes on the car. This car is about to go cross country, so I'm just replacing it to be safe. The Bosch is the replacement part, or you can get the OEM Mercedes one directly from Mercedes. This is pretty similar to most other types of windshield wiper blades, but essentially what you're going to do is you're going to pinch this side and push down, and it's going to split the little connector inside, just like that. And then because this blade is so long, you're going to notice on the back side a little groove. Go ahead and just push this kind of through the little groove. This is going to come like that. And then you're going to pull towards yourself, and then you're going to lock it closed. And that's it. That's how you replace this blade. And if you want to replace it, essentially same thing. Just push down to disconnect, and then you push the blade that way, and it'll come out. All right. That's it. Just check it. It sits very well. So super easy procedure. This is in the service B. And you should obviously replace as needed. I'll post a link in the description. Please subscribe, and thanks for watching.